Hey traders, welcome to the weekly outlook. We're looking at the 1 hour chart this week. I'm going to try to do a daily video every day looking at the 1 hour chart. And we're using the 2E trading system. This is the 25 EMA and the 9. And I added the 200. So I call it the 3E, but it's really the 2E trading system by Naked Forex. Really simple. I also added the RSI. So we got this breakdown last night. I actually took this engulfing candle to the upside because we were bouncing off this 200 EMA and I got stopped out and then reversed the trade and got this move. So all in all, a good trade. I'm actually looking for this to pull back. I'm not sure when that's going to be. It's oversold on the 1 hour here and on the 4 hour. Oversold here too. So I'd like a pullback. Again, not sure when that's going to happen, but if we get some price action, might take a trade to the upside. Pound USD, it's getting ready to break down from this flag. Might get a trade here, but like I said, similar to the euro, it's oversold. I don't like taking these trades oversold, but again, it was oversold here too, and you got a nice trade, so you just never know. It's all about risk tolerance here. USD CAD. Got a little flag here. Could this continue to the upside, get that trade, or come back to this moving average and then go? But if it can get to the moving average, you have a bigger pullback as well. So you got to be aware of that. USD JPY. I'm really hoping for a breakdown to the downside here. I wouldn't look for an upside trade unless we broke this level above the 200. If that happened, here's a couple options. You could have a 1, 2, 3 back up to this 200 on the 2 hour chart and then downside. Or if we go up to the 4 hour chart, 1, 2, 3 up to this level. Many options if it breaks this level to the upside. I'm hoping for the downside here. And if it can get to here, I'm hoping it can get to here and break this bottom. You just don't know right now. There's no price action to the downside yet. So we'll see. This is the pair that I'm watching the most. USD Chief. I don't think I would buy this pair. And if I was trying to sell it, I'd wait for this to break down under here, make a flag, and move back down to this level at the very least. Aussie USD, you've got a little bounce off the 200 and you're coming back down. Looks like we're going to break this. Although, watch this move, like that CAD, that USD CAD pair, you could get a move back up to this EMA before you continue down. And the longer trend is still up on the 1 hour with this 200 EMA, so you could get a break up. There's no guarantee of downside here. New Zealand USD, we're still sitting on top of the 200. Same deal here. Could get this trade back up to this level and then a drop, or just keep going up. Aussie CAD, pushing back down to the 200. This might be a good trade to the downside here. 4 hour. Got some room down to this level here, this level, or if it breaks back up above this structure area right here, it might be a good buy on the 4 hour. I'm trying to stick to the 1 hour. Aussie Chief, If it broke above this structure level right here, you might get a trade up to here, make a 1, 2, 3, and then either break down or keep going and break this top. Which depends on, definitely don't have a good vibe on this pair, so be careful. But if it does, if this was the first impulse and this is a correction for upside and break this up, that's an incredible trade. So keep it on your watch list. Aussie JPY, same deal. Impulse, correction, maybe get a move to the upside here. And if you're lucky, keep going. Euro Aussie, this is very nice. Breaking down, correction. If it breaks this low, that'd be a good sell. Back down to this low. You had it overbought here on the 1 hour chart. Add that to your watch list. Euro Aussie. Euro Swiss, oversold. 4 hour. Oversold here too. I'm looking for a pullback. Break up, correct. Upside to these levels and the 200. And Euro NZD, same as the Euro Aussie. Looks like it's already breaking down, but it's not the greatest flag. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm going to look at the Euro Aussie instead. CAD JPY, same as the Aussie JPY, it looks like. Euro JPY, you get a breakdown of this level here or back up to this area before that happens. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, you could get a pullback here. It's oversold in the 4 hour, so you get an hourly pullback back up to this level. We'll see what happens. Pound JPY, same as those other JPY pairs. Is it going to break the low or is it going to break this top? 1, 2, 3, or even keep going. Pound Aussie, same as the Euro Aussie. It has broken this low. We'll see what it's going to do next. I'd rather take the Euro Aussie, to be honest with you. I don't like this Pound Aussie pair. It's given me trouble in the past. Anyway, I think we've made it through all the pairs here. So if there's a pair you want to covered more detail, reach out to me on Twitter or in the comment section here. And thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. And we'll be back tomorrow for another video using this same trading system on the 1 hour chart. See ya.